that time again for another Fortnite emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you with professional grade dance instruction. Today you're going to be learning the Say So Fortnite emote, and my niece is the one who asked for this. She requested it. She plays Fortnite with us all the time, and she loves this emote. She's constantly using it in all of our matches and stuff, and she asked me to do a tutorial. So Erilyn, this one's for you, girl. But before we get started, guys, do not forget, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It helps the algorithm and it helps our channel grow. It's one of the best ways that you can support us. And join me on my live streams, guys. I have a live free hip hop dance class that's available to all levels and all ages. It's more of an intermediate kind of a class, but everybody's welcome. And it's Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time on my Twitch channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. So you guys ready to get started on this emote? What do you say? You say so? Let's do it. Bad dad joke, I know, it's all good. All right, you guys, so here we go. This is how you do the Fortnite Say So emote. Goes like this, okay? You're gonna take these hands, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mirror you this time. This is how you do it. So you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna sit down on your hip and you're gonna go like that. Okay, so that's your first move. You kind of just cross your hands and you go down, and then you're gonna sit in your hip like that. Boom. Then you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna flick them up like that. Okay? And all you're doing is just rocking back and forth in the hips. And you can kind of put your own flavor into it. It's supposed to be something that's just loose and fun. And so you're gonna go to the right. You're gonna go here. You're gonna flip it up. Then you're gonna tap your head. Then you're gonna tap your head. And you're essentially just rocking back and forth in the hips every time you do that. So just the hands go like this. Da, da, tap, tap. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, go. Hit, flick, tap, tap. Now I'm gonna move kind of through this tutorial a little faster because I think most people probably already know how to do this emote. But if you don't, this is at least one way to break it down, and you can always pause the video, rewind, go back and do it a couple more times. But I'll move a little quicker with this one, okay? So from the very beginning, you go like this. Da, 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 da. Yeah, and then from here, you're gonna step back on your left foot. You're gonna punch your left hand. It's gonna go across this way. Then you're gonna go push it back this way. Then you're gonna roll it through your body like this, okay? Do that again from the top and just kind of piece all that together like this. Ready? 7, 8, you go da 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 da, punch, hit, roll it through, okay? And if you don't know how to do a body roll is super easy. Typically you start with your head. There's, a million different ways to do a body roll, but your head kind of goes up a little bit like this. Then as it goes down, your chest comes up. Then you're gonna stick up your hips, and then you're just gonna sit back like you were kind of gonna sit down on a chair, okay? So it just rolls through the body, head, chest, hips, back, okay? Your hands are rolling into you this way, and then you sit down, yeah? Let's try that again from the top. It goes like this, 7, 8, da, 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 boom, hit, roll, down. Then from here, you're gonna go jump together, got a little frame of your face, you're gonna push it forward, you're gonna point on you, you're gonna bring your hands into a what position? Then you're gonna take your right leg, you're gonna cross it over, and then you're just gonna turn around like that. Here's a really easy pro tip on turning around. Some people, when they turn, they cross their legs, so think of it as like a Twizzler, okay? You can't go this way because your legs are twisted. The only way to unwrap is to keep it going all the way around, and then your feet end up just being front like that. If you keep your legs tight together when you cross them, it'll be easier to turn. If you overcross, it's a lot harder and you have more real estate to cover, so your circle has to be bigger. Make your life easy. Have your toe right next to your foot, and all you do is unwind and the feet come together. And it's that easy, okay? So let's put that together from the top. It goes like this. 7, 8, da, 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 punch, hit, roll it down, frame, push, you, what, step, across, then you do it again. Now, if I do it the same way that Avatar does it, so this is the non-reversed version, it looks like this. 7, 8, you have da, 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 boom, hit, roll, down, then frame, you, point, hit, cross, then. All right, so that's the Say So emote. If you need to pause and rewind the video and do it a couple more times, do it slowly. We're gonna put on music and we're gonna do it with the avatar. Looks like this. That's it. That's how you do the emote. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Erin, that was for you, my sweets. If you guys have any emote requests, let me know. Put them in the comment section below. We will do them on this channel. Until then, I will see you guys next time, okay? Peace out.